Before the competition, all experts must complete the competition rules and skill professional tests on the WorldSkills International website. Experts not completing the skill professional test cannot participate in the marking process. Experts arrive at the competition site for equipment introduction. Okay, experts, here's for assembly. I will introduce this place first. There are 3 parts. First, materials. Let's start from this. This is for assembly. It includes the shaft and bearing. These are about our materials. Second, tools, such as bending tubes, bending machines, and connectors. Third, measurement. For example, we use the gauge block for calibration, then micrometer, or we use caliper, like this one. We can use it to measure the welding details. Okay, please have a look. Any questions? No? Any questions? No? Good. Now I'm going to introduce our milling machine. This is one model of Kussmann 410M from Germany. We operate it with a Heidemann digital readout. When digital readouts are working, this operating instrument makes the linear encoder move fast and fine-tune. Experts, please try it. Here you go. Okay, good. Do you want to try it? Okay, try it. The same. Okay, it's your turn. Okay, please. Any questions? No? No? Good. Experts discuss TP grouping and TP translation. Okay, experts. We are going to validate the TP. Here are 4 modules. First, predictive maintenance, that is laser shaft alignment. Second, pneumatics. Third, lathe and milling. Fourth, assembly. Any questions? No? Good. If no, we will start to assign tasks of measurement assessment. Okay, you do measurement, no problem. You check results, and you write them down. Any questions for this part? No? Good, thank you. Experts discuss assessment methods and criteria. We are going to discuss assessment items. There are 2 items, judgment assessment and measurement assessment. In the judgment assessment, 2 parts can easily cause disputes. One is welding, the other is tube bending for welding. Please take a look. Like this welding bead, it is a defect. So when marking, we give a lower mark. Any questions for this part? This is all about welding. Next, let's take a look at tube bending. Inside the bending tube, it's quite obvious that the bended part is below our industry standard. This is a defect. So when marking, please pay special attention. We have to make sure this aspect have been marked. Okay? For such assessment method, any questions? No? If you are okay with this, we will follow what we just mentioned to pay attention to this part in judgment assessment. Next is about measurement assessment. For measurement assessment, except for the new module of lathe and milling, we will designate an equitable institution to do the measurement. For other 3 modules, we will follow the measurement tasks we just assigned. Any questions for marking task assignment? No? Okay, thank you. Thanks. Before the competition, experts can talk with compatriot competitors for 15 minutes. There is a dovetail slot in TP. We have to pay attention to this round hole. The pin inside is an English unit. For the result, use a calculator to calculate it again. Another one is about the bores. There are small and big holes. There's a great difference between them. The other one is about the holes. This includes 5 screw threads, so please pay attention to them. For other parts, please operate according to your trainings. Is it okay? Yes? Yes? Okay? Okay. All right, let's go. When the competition starts, experts and interpreters must not enter the working areas without permission or touch their equipment. Are you okay? Everything's good? All experts take responsibility for supervision, including time management, safety and health management, etc., and sign off during the competition. Let's assign tasks. There are two parts. First is time and second is safety and health. You are in charge of managing time. Please keep track of time. Here's your timer. For this expert, he is in charge of safety and health management. He has to check if competitor wears safety glasses, safety shoes, before allowing them to enter the competition site. The competitor has to wear safety glasses and safety shoes. Then they are allowed to enter the competition site. Got it? Good. In Module B, the competitor uses Fluidism software to complete the design and save it in USB. Then the expert prints it out and hands it to the competitor to build the circuit on simulating equipment. Everything is okay. Please save the design for printing. Yes. Okay, here you are. Okay. After competitors complete a module, experts collect TP. Okay. Now I have completed the whole module. I needed to submit it to expert for marking. Yes. Okay, he has already completed the module and would like to submit it to you for marking. Okay. Please give me the TP. Okay, you can leave now. Disputes occur easily during the marking process. Most of them are about visual inspection on damages, including bead quality for welding burr and quality for tube bending, etc. For the dimension in measurement in Module C, a third-party measuring team will assess using a precision measuring machine and then give reports. For other modules, 3 to 4 experts in each marking team will give scores based on judgment or measurement assessment and record scores on a standard marking form to ensure the correctness of marks. There are measurement assessment and judgment assessment. Each includes summative assessment and process assessment. Examples of summative assessment are dimension measurement, appearance marking, etc. As for process assessment, besides predictive maintenance and pneumatics, tube bending and welding, once completed, have to be measured first and then assembled. After the competition, TD reviews to discuss whether to change tools, devices, materials, assessment items, etc. for next competition. Okay, experts, the competition is over. Now we have to do TD revision for next competition. For TD revision, we can discuss tools, devices, materials, and assessment items. Do you have any questions? We will start from this side. I have a question. The expense for laser shaft alignment this time is too expensive due to its equipment. Therefore, I hope we have more time in the future so that we can get an ideal result during the tender process. Thank you. Okay, please. I would like to talk about welding. I think for this time, judgment assessment accounts for a higher percentage. I hope we can make adjustment in the future and add more assessment items marked by measurement. It would be fairer for the competition. Understand? For me, I would like to talk about assembly. The time for assembly is quite short. This makes the competitors rush into assembly. I hope we can increase time for assembly in the future. Thanks for your valuable comments. I will write them down. When revising TD in the future, we will revise it in detail. Thank you all. Thanks.